Hi friends, in this video we are going to see about CO attainment and core program attainment and program specific attainment for the course object oriented programming. It comes as a blended course. So we have as usual we have IA1, IA2, IA3 contributions and assignments. Along with that we have record marks and model lab and semester lab is also included for this particular course. So now I will explain with the first sheet core matrix for IA1. So in the previous video I have mentioned how to fill this sheet like question COs and Bloom's level. Bloom's level have to be chosen for all the questions which is given in the question paper. So this is what Bloom's taxonomy contribution was calculated from the questions which is given in the question paper, and this is what CO question paper matrix or contribution for the particular course in IA1. So here we have to fill the assignment, course outcome statements and mapping for the particular course. And this is the average level of attainment for this particular course, which will be calculated by averaging the courses, mapping, which is given for the POs and PSOs. And for IA1, marks to be entered. IA1 marks will be entered for part A and part B questions for individual students, and target level is based on the Bloom's level, but is already informed. Again, I am telling you that understanding and remembrance is fixed with 65%, and for applying it is for 60%, and the remaining 3 Bloom's level is for 50% as a target level. And number of students attended for this question is calculated, and the total score which is expected above expected level, that will be calculated in this cell, and the percentage calculated for the attainment level. Here we have 56, the total number of students attended is 64, so 56 divided by 64 into 100. This is what the percentage we got for this particular course, and this is the target level, attainment level for the particular course. So here CO1 and CO2 for the particular course is calculated by averaging the COs, which is CO questions which we have attained. So for this, CO1 is 67 and CO2 is 81%. It comes under the level 1 and 3. So in the same fashion we have IA2, IA3, and now we are going to see about assignment. So assignment for this particular course, CO2 and CO3 is given with an assignment, and this for CO4 another co-curricular component is given for the subject and marks are allowed. At the end, the number of students is attended is calculated, and the score which is above the target level, and percentage for the attainment, and the attainment level is also mentioned. And then record marks. So since it is a blended course, we have record mark for this. So here we have CO1 to CO5 courses. For individual courses, course outcomes, we have performance and record and viva mark. So performance for the first students, first mark is mentioned, and the second is viva mark for the particular students. The same fashion, all the students' mark will be filled, and number of students attended and attained the target level, and attainment for the percentage and attainment level is also calculated in the similar way, which is we already done. And for the model exam and the semester exam, so for this, for every student we have 2 experiments, so it may comes under in any course outcomes. So for the particular first student, first question is comes under CO2, and fifth question is second question comes under CO5. So this is for model lab, and this is for end semester practical. The marks are filled with the students students marks are filled individually for the particular course lab exams, model exam and semester practical exams. The attainment and the expected percentage above, and attainment level is also calculated in the same fashion. And for indirect survey we have collected from as a quotient survey from the students. So excellent, we have indicators excellent, very good, good, and satisfactory and unsatisfactory with the respective scale 4 to 0, and we have collected who will get surveyed from the students, and it is calculated, and percentage is also calculated. And this last one is end semester co-matrix. So here we have, we are supposed to fill matrix for end semester. So from first question, part A we have. So part A we have 10 questions and part B we have 5 questions that have to be mapped, and the Bloom's level and the CO contribution for the particular question is also calculated. And for end semester, this result will be this result will be given from COE office. So that will be entered for respective students with respective questions. The same fashion we have calculated the attainment. And for print sheet from IA1, IA2, IA3, assignment co-curricular 2, record mark, lab mark is also all collected from the respective sheets, and the cumulative mark is calculated for internal assessments. And for theory and practical, for end semester we have theory and practical, so that is calculated. And for end semester, theory 70% and 30% for practical contribution. And for CO attainment, 50% for cumulative internal examination is for 50% and end semester is for 50%. This will be comes under direct attainment. And for indirect attainment, we have course and survey. From the direct attainment, we have 80% and indirect attainment we have 20%. From this, we will attain attainment. Attainment is got from the course outcome. This is what map for the course outcomes. So in the same way, from this we will calculate the PO and PSO contributions, and mapping will be calculated.